Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everything you need to know about smart financial moves. Today, we're diving into how to apply for a Rakuten credit card. If you're looking to rack up rewards on your everyday purchases like groceries, dining, and online shopping, this card could be a game changer. Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates, offers cashback and perks that make it a favorite for deal hunters. But before we jump in, make sure you're eligible. You'll typically need to be at least 18 years old, have a good credit score, and be a US resident. Okay, let's get started. First things first, head over to the official Rakuten website. You can easily find it by searching Rakuten credit card application on your browser. Once you're there, look for the credit card section. It's usually front and center. Click on Apply Now to begin. Next, you'll need to fill out the application form. This is straightforward, but take your time. You'll enter personal details like your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and employment information. Don't forget to double-check for accuracy to avoid any delays. Now, for the fun part, selecting your card type. Rakuten offers options like the standard card or premium versions with extra benefits. Choose one that fits your spending habits. After that, you'll provide financial details, such as your annual income and existing debts. This helps them assess your application quickly. Once everything is filled out, hit Submit. You'll get a confirmation email right away. After submission, the waiting game begins. Approval can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of weeks, depending on your credit history. If approved, you'll receive your card in the mail along with activation instructions. Pro tip: keep an eye on your email and monitor your credit report for any changes. And there you have it. Applying for a Rakuten credit card is simple and rewarding. If you follow these steps, you'll be earning cash back in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.